David and Sarah needed to find a strategy. They had a retirement and a financial strategy, but not a successful health strategy. So they decided to enlist the help of an accredited naturopathic doctor. Hearing there were many charlatans in alternative medicine, they wanted someone who was as equally trained as a medical doctor, spending at least 7 years obtaining their professional license. Sarah was just as amazed at what she was reading. American and Canadian doctors write on average 13 prescriptions for every man, woman, and child each year. Sarah asked herself, with all these medications, shouldn't we be getting healthier? She was further shocked to find that from 1960 to 2008, healthcare expenditures increased exponentially in the U.S. In 2014, the U.S. spent the largest amount on healthcare, $8,508 per person, yet it has the lowest overall healthcare quality out of 11 industrialized nations. Meanwhile, Canada spent $5,988 per person, ranking 10th. Sarah asked David, for all the dollars being spent, shouldn't we be getting better results? David and Sarah needed to invest in their family's health care more wisely, with a strategy that made sense. My Health Navigator shared a comprehensive strategy that demonstrated where they were health-wise and what they could do about it. Sarah, David, and Brittany wanted to go from health nowhere to health now here. They found their bodies were like cups, filling up with toxins, and as their cup became full of these toxins and eventually overflowed, they started to experience symptoms. In Brittany's case, factors such as airborne allergens, heavy metals, chemicals, weak organs, and diet were all causing her cup to overflow, creating her symptoms of allergies and asthma. The pharmaceutical drugs weren't addressing the cause, they were just making the cup bigger. It gets worse. After a while, Brittany's meds stopped working, so they needed cups that were bigger still. Their docs prescribed even more powerful drugs, creating increasingly larger cups while failing to address any of the factors that were making them overflow to begin with. The same was going on for Sarah, but in addition to her migraines, she now also had a breast lump to contend with. Naturopathic doctors offer a different approach, with the goal of identifying the factors filling up one's cup, implementing strategies to isolate those factors, and detoxifying their cup so they are no longer burdened by symptoms, but are working toward health optimization and disease prevention. Want a health strategy that works? Schedule your appointment today with a licensed naturopathic doctor and start your health strategy now.